This is Noushka, a local Congolese businesswoman and founder of Uzasi, an all-natural line of hair and skincare products made by empowered local women. But I know her best as the founder of the all-girls home, Matumaini, a place I spend a fair bit of time. A portion of Uzasi's profits help support Matumaini, so when Noushka asked me to make these quick DIY market displays for her product line, I jumped at the chance to help. But enough backstory. Let's get into it. First, I had to prep the raw cut lumber. Cue planing and jointing. Then I cut a few planks down to 1-inch strips for what would become the display's legs. To achieve the legs' frame shape, I cut the strips down to size with angled miter cuts. To the rear of both frames, I achieved a 90-degree angle by cutting the adjoining pieces at 45 degrees. The front two angles of what we'll call the short stack display were cut at 36.5 and 53.5 degrees. The front of what we'll call the long-legged display were cut at 40.5 and 49.5 degrees. With all the leg components for both the short stack and the long-legged display ready, it was time for a quick glue up. With the glue dry, I sunk a few finishing nails in each corner to add rigidity. Then used sawdust and glue to cover the exposed holes. While that dried, I moved on to the corner shelves of the short stack display, cutting 11.5-inch squares with the sliding arm saw. Then cutting thin trim pieces to act as backing for the shelves. I secured the pieces with glue and finishing nails. With those components ready, I moved to the basket shelves for both displays, cutting 45-degree beveled edges to make the boxes. Then I used the tape tension to complete the glue up and sunk a few more corner nails for good measure. After that, I ripped strips of varying widths that would become the slatted bottom of the baskets. Then measured and cut them to size for each basket. And used nails to secure them. With the baskets ready, it was just a matter of using the nail gun to assemble all the pieces. After the major components of the displays were all put together, I used some remaining offcuts to create a bit more display storage in the form of small, simple boxes. I took the two small boxes and secured them to the outer edges of the long-legged display for extra small item storage and a bit more visual interest. final step, I wanted to make an emblem of my friend's company's logo, to make these displays truly a part of a pretty inspiring company. The weekend after the display was complete, Uzasi had an event. As an American in Congo, it can be really easy to try and define this place through a narrow lens. But walking into this expo and seeing a crowd of empowered female entrepreneurs, that was truly incredible. Thanks for watching. Got a suggestion? Want to see more? Ring the bell, like and subscribe, and of course, comment below.